Hello everyone, if you're here for the first time, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, YouTube will notify you about that. You rush to go and watch. Now, today we are going to continue with our class on how to compute student results using Microsoft Excel. So this is where we stopped in our last class. What we did was trying to collect all the datas, all the total datas of each particular subject, because we are dealing with the cumulative sheet of the class, the overall score of the students. That's what we are dealing with. So now we are going to find total as usual, just as the way we find total in the first CA test. Now, the importance of understanding how to find total in the test, in a CA test, you apply the same understanding in this particular form. Now, let's quickly look at that. Now, what is the cell address of this English subject? The cell address is O5. From O5 to CX5. That is the total score of Biliaminu Abubakar. What I'm going to do here is, I don't want to I can't type, let me just give you one instant. Type equals to and say O5 plus, is it O5? What is the cell address? CO5, sorry, CO5. Now it will be selected there, plus. Then I'll go to the next one, CP5 plus CQ5 plus CR5. That one is going to take a lot. It will do you good, but it's going to take a lot of your time. Please just quickly use the function sum and open bracket, type CO5 column, that is 2. What is the last subject? The last subject is CX5. It will be selected there. You see from here. Don't click it, please. Don't click. Whenever you're typing formula, don't click any cell, because any cell you click or you select, that's what is going to use. Now let me show you with example. Let me click this one. Now I open bracket. If I want to use this from here to here, click hold, I will drag to the last one. You will see CX5. Then I'll click there, continue typing, close bracket, and press enter. So now this is where it gets interesting. Look for your calculator. Try typing, adding this particular value: 40, 47, 61, 52, 47, 65, 35, 45, 55, 65. Make sure the total is the same before you copy the formula for the rest of the students, so that you will not be making mistake. So you're done with the total. The next thing is the position, average. The average. How can you find the average? Now, the total average of average in the class. Now, just as manual method, to find the average in a particular class, you're going to say total score divided by the number of subject. Total score divided by the number of subject. But you can use function. But I advisably, because of the area I'm living, sometimes a student will maybe enroll late. See, there are students that even missed exams. They came after maybe writing 2 exams or so, or maybe the last exams they were absent due to 1 or 2 reasons. You favor them, because you can't compute their result the same as those people that were around. You understand? So that's why I always use the local methods. That is total number of subjects written, the total score divided by the total number of subjects written by the student. So let's just assume all of them, they have not missed their exam, right? So what I will do now is I will just say, now press my equal sign, because I want to find the average. What is the cell address of this particular, what is the cell address of this particular total, first total? The cell address is CY5. You see, CY5. So I will just type CY5, then /, that is divide by how many subjects they are offering, 10, divided by 10. Then I'll press enter. It will just find the average of that particular student. Then I'll copy the average for the other student. So that is how I'll find the average. But in order for me to get the actual position of these students, using one decimal point will not give me a good result, because most of the students may have the same average. So what I will do, while the average is still selected, I will go to the home tab. Make sure you're on the home tab, number ribbon. You will see increase decimal and decrease decimal. So I want to increase by pressing this one, increase decimal. So this is how I'll find, or I'll have an actual 2 decimal point. So using this one, I can position it, that is manually, but I don't want to do it manually. I will do it automatically. Please, if you like this particular video and it's getting interesting, please, you can do me good, or you can do yourself good, or you can do your friends good by sharing this particular video or liking this particular video, so that you share it on the YouTube community. My previous videos, I'll keep the description under this video description, so that you people can follow from the beginning to this particular part. This is where we're going to stop for this particular class till we meet in my next class. Thank you.